This is the font activity, and this is where you will show me that you know how to change the different text within a Google Doc. We're going to start off with direction number 1, which tells you to answer these questions that I've asked of you. This activity allows me to get to know you a little bit better, so try to answer honestly and finish it with a complete sentence. So you're going to continue to answer all of these questions. I only answered the first 3. So when you want to change anything in a Google Doc, you have to select your words first. So direction number 2 says to change your answer to a different font color. So in order to do that, you're going to place your finger over top of your answer and you're going to hold it down until you get the selection tool to show up. And you're going to drag it and only highlight your answer. You're going to go up to the toolbar and hit the font color icon, which is the A, and select a different font color for just your answer. And again, you'll go on to the next sentence. You'll hold down your finger over top of just your answer till the selection tool shows up. Sometimes it takes a little practice. Select your answer and go up to the toolbar where the A is and then select a different font color. And I would like to see it's not the same color throughout. So try to make it look like a rainbow. And again, I just did the first 3, so you're going to continue this. Now the next direction says to bold the first 2 sentences. So you will select just the first 2 sentences by placing your finger on the screen at the first sentence and holding it down, and select only the first 2 sentences, and then go up to the toolbar where you see the B for bold. The next direction says to italicize the next 2 sentences. So you'll select the next 2 sentences and go up to the toolbar and hit the I for italics. You'll see that it's slanted. The next direction says to underline the next 2 sentences, so you'll select them first and go up to the toolbar and hit the U for underline. Now the next direction says to highlight the last 2 sentences. And now it's different than font color. You're going to select the sentences first, and then you're going to go up to the toolbar and look for the icon next to the font color. It looks like a little marker. You're going to select a highlighter color and make it look like you've used a highlighter marker. The last direction says to change the font size. So you're going to select all the sentences and you'll change the font size to size 24 and then type your name at the bottom of the document. And that's it.